Hello again. In this video I'll show you how to enable dark mode on every website you visit. First I'll open up a browser and search for Dark Reader. I will click on darkreader.org and you'll see that they have links for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. If you have a Chromium-based browser like Brave, you'd use the Chrome extension. I'm using Firefox right now. Click on the button to add the extension. Wait for it to install. I'll open up a new tab and make a Google search. You'll see that it's now in dark mode. If I click the first link, it will also be in dark mode. Let's check wikipedia.org. It's also in dark mode. You've got some options if you click the icon. See that it says here you can toggle the current site with Alt-Shift-A. So if I press Alt-Shift-A, it will be in light mode. If I press it again, it will be in dark mode. The shortcut for disabling dark mode ever is Alt-Shift-D. Now if we go back to the previous page, it will also be in light mode. I'll re-enable the extension and then toggle just this site. Now if we go back to Wikipedia, it'll still be in dark mode, even though the web store is not. You can also get customization options from the extension pop-up. You can change the brightness up or down. You can adjust the contrast. You can make it low brightness with high contrast. You can add a sepia filter or grayscale. I'll put most of these back. If you like your themes to be extra black, you can increase the contrast a little over here. Here's another way you can toggle your site, dark mode or not dark mode. And that's about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.